Memorial, bearing the names of all those killed on the plane, excluding names of the 5 terrorists best to be determined. At the Motor Memorial, unidentified remains of those killed on the plane. Remains of commingle or mixed in, and those not know what belongs to whom. Those are mass burial. There's the Pentagon, right outside the cemetery. That's the area the Pentagon plane crash knocked out much of that area. Killed 125 people in the process. If I were to take you down the street to your left, about 25 yards on the right side, you can see the grave of one of the students killed at Virginia Tech in April 2007. Her name is Leslie Geraldine Sherman. She's buried here for 3 reasons. Number 1, she has a parent who qualifies for burial here. Number 2, she was only 21. And number 3, she was not married. To the left, right outside the cemetery, see those 3 tall silver spires, 3 tall silver things. That is the United States Air Force Memorial, dedicated by former President George W. Bush on October the 6th, the year 2006. So you were building to the left on top of the hill, with someone's body's in there. And there's a body of Nelson Hamilton Miles, who was Confederate President Jefferson Davis in custody. So those graves to the left, it says in memory of. Well, no one is buried there, no one. Hosea Stone served as memorials to many Americans who died at sea. To the left, you see other graves reading in memory of. Well, no one is buried there either, no one. Hosea Stone simply served as memorials to other Americans who died at sea. Now have your cameras ready if you're on the right, what I'm about to show you. Have your cameras ready if you're on the right, what I'm about to show you. This is the grave of the pilot of American Airlines Flight 77, hijacked 9:37 in the morning, September 11 in the year 2001, and crashed into the Pentagon. So look to your right, counting 5 rows. Then go from left to right 5 rows. You see that grave with the flowers in the front and the rocks on top. The grave with the flowers in the front and the rocks on top is a grave of the pilot that's hijacked, crashed to the Pentagon September 11th. And when he did that, that was one day before his 52nd birthday. That's one day before his 52nd birthday. His name is Charles Frank Burlingame III. To your left is the nurses section of the cemetery. And there in the area to your left are nurses who served in either World War I, World War II, or some other time. Some of you have heard of Audie Murphy, one of the most decorated, not the most decorated soldier in World War II. Over 40 moves, won over 20-some-odd medals. Look left. You see where the wreath and the American flag and some flowers to build Audie Murphy, most decorated soldier in World War II. And at the end of the T-shaped walkway, where I'm pointing, right across the street, there's a grave with a plaque showing faces. A grave with a plaque showing faces is a memorial to those who lost their lives on the Space Shuttle Challenger.